Hello, hello. Happy Labor Day, crypto family. Tokenomics family, how you doing? We'll be starting shortly. We got a big day today. Thank you for all the support with the book. This, even though it's a public holiday over here, wanted to still put out a live stream because we've been getting lots of questions regarding when we're going to launch the NFTs for the book. If you haven't heard, Crypto Investing Guide, How to Invest in Bitcoin, DeFi, NFTs, and More is launching tomorrow. Yes, Tuesday. Go to Amazon, look it up, type it in. Last week was one of the top selling books in digital currencies, even above the Bitcoin standard. And now we're about to announce the NFTs. The NFTs. So get ready, get ready. All right, crypto family, let's see how you're doing. Be sure to subscribe, put on alerts, tell a friend to tell a friend. Not being in crypto is a financial crime. Crypto is the future of money. All right, so what's up, C Sharp? How are you? Joe, Narasimha, Swami, Nasi, Legit DZ, Muhammad. What's up, Mylan? Dragon Ball Crypto, what's up? Ferdos, Rewing, Rihan, Joe. You bought a Solana at $111? That's kind of high, Joe. I mean, our Tokenomics Crate had Solana rated highly for the last few months, so you could have bought that a lot sooner. I'm not sure if you're a customer or not, but if you're a customer, you definitely leverage the platform to get in at a good entry. Kana, what's up? BTC Motivation. Jarek, what's up? James. All right. So let me know if there's any issues with the audio, but we should be good. Today's just me. It is a public holiday, but we're still here. We're still making this crypto money. And today is going to be a pretty short stream. But first of all, if you're watching the stream, let me pull up my screen here. Give me 1 second. Share my screen. Okay, all right. So first thing first, do me a favor, a solid, and go and pre-order the book, Crypto Investing Guide, How to Invest in Bitcoin, DeFi, NFTs, and More. You all asked for us to write a book, and we did it. I know ever since I've been in crypto since 2016, I would say after I basically blew up in 2017 through the spreadsheet, people were always asking how to get into crypto, and they were always asking for a book. And now for the last over 1 year, our team has been working on this book, writing different chapters, different topics to give you our system, our know-how in terms of investing in crypto, right? So I'm going to go through first how to get NFTs, right? Because we don't just do crypto, we live it and breathe it, right? We eat, hold on, sorry, just give me 1 second. And basically, we want to make sure we're actually doing what we talk about. Right? We're not just here preaching about it, we're actually living it. Right? So, based on your input and feedback, we are deciding to launch NFTs, non-fungible tokens, for our community. And basically anybody who buys the book will get NFTs. Right? So first thing you have to do is you have to go to Amazon, buy the book, right? But want to also have this represent a good cause. Basically, crypto empowerment for humanity. So let me get this is what we've basically been working on. Now there'll be an official email in terms of how all this would work. But right now, this is basically what it looks like. This is essentially a draft, but this will be sent out probably tomorrow or this week. But no worries, no rush. There'll be basically a month for people to claim their NFTs. But let me just go through and read this announcement. Right? So it says like this, right? Hello, Tokenomics family. We are excited for the launch of Tokenomics CEO Ian Balina's book, The Crypto Investing Guide, How to Invest in Bitcoin, DeFi, and NFTs on September 7th. To commemorate the occasion, we will be issuing rare non-fungible tokens to our Tokenomics family members that buy and send books in support of our mission of economic empowerment for all of humanity. Actually, this is a typo. Basically, if you buy books and you send them to your family, your friends, your loved ones, to a charity, to schools as a gift, we want to help support that, right? And that's why we're creating the NFTs. I'll go through and fix this. We will have the following NFT rewards for anyone that purchases a book. This will be the initial, I'm not sure what that's there. As you see, it's still in draft mode. This will be the initial transformation of our Token Metrics family into an NFT-based ecosystem. We've always been thinking about this problem for the last 2 years or so, how to essentially get a community and have it scale while still offering value and still also keeping it somewhat intimate, right? And NFTs-based communities, I think, and our team thinks is the way to go. We've seen this happen with Bored Apes, with the Yacht Club, but for us with Token Metrics, we want to build a community that we've had for over 5 years, essentially, right? And we think this is the way to go. But anyway, these are the different tiers we have, right? So we'll have 10,000 NFTs will mint, right? And 8,890 of them will be the 1x tier. Basically, this will be the front book cover NFT. And this is for anybody who buys 1 to 9 books, essentially a 1x. And this will give you access to exclusive Token Metrics meetups and VIP status at any conferences we have in the future. So basically, going forward, we have to figure out how to do this technologically, but I think maybe a Pope can handle this. But anyway, that's kind of besides the point. But anyway, going forward, we'll be having meetups just with our NFT token holders, right? So we all know that the crypto world tour is huge. Once things open up, we want to start doing that again, but this will be pretty much just for our NFT holders, right? So imagine having crypto world tour version only for token holders. So by having a token, by buying essentially just one book, you will get access to one NFT, right? Or rather, if you buy 1 to 9 books, you get one NFT. That will give you access to all future events and all future meetups, right? All right. Next up, if you do the 10x, if you buy 10 to 900 to 99 books, you basically get an NFT of the back cover. There'll only be 1,000 NFTs, and you will get everything in the 1x tier, plus early pre-sale access to any future Token Metrics NFT mints, right? So what does that mean? So these NFTs are just for the book. Once we launch these NFTs, we also plan in the future to launch our very own NFTs, also for our community, right? So think like basically Bored Apes, but just for our Token Metrics family. And by being in the 10x tier, you will have early pre-sale access to that, right? So these will be NFTs of our team, me, Bill, Forrest. We're still working on how to kind of make this happen, but we're thinking it will be moon themed, right? So whether they're astronauts, whether it's our team, but we want to do this like nobody has done this before to really help our community become even more engaged, right? Because NFTs have really been a new primitive to add better engagement and also better economics into any community, right? And with us being in crypto and having a large community, we think this makes sense, right? So by having the 10x tier, you'll get early access to that. And we still are looking for artists. We're probably going to go maybe for an anime themed Token Metrics NFT, maybe something anime, something futuristic. If you are an artist, definitely contact us, send us your portfolio. Please, only qualified artists, only those who've done NFTs before or have done illustrations before. Just email info at tokenmetrics.com, and our team will go through that. Then we have the 100x tier, right? There will be just 100 NFTs of this. This is for anybody who buys 100 to 999 books. Yes, that is a lot of books, but this is essentially more like for an enterprise or maybe a bookstore, right? If you own a bookstore or if you want to give books to a bookstore or to a school, to a charity, this is probably your tier, right? Those will be covers for the chapter, and this will get you access to everything in the 10x tier, plus lifetime access to Token Metrics investor plan, private Telegram group, right? We may add something else to this as well, but for now, this is what the reward will be, right? Plus, we also plan to have an exclusive monthly webinar for NFT holders in the 100x tier, right? So basically, 100 people each month will get an exclusive webinar with me, Bill, Forrest, our team. Basically, it's kind of like the professional webinar for the Pro Plan customers, but this will be for just people in the tier. This is where we'll share any hidden gems we like, what we're investing in, with people who are in the 100x tier. And then we have the 1000x tier. There'll be basically only 10 NFTs, 10 out of 10,000. For anybody who buys more than 1,000 books. So this is basically for bookstores or anybody who's capable of buying that large amount of books to donate to charity, to schools, to anybody who needs it, right? To help bring crypto empowerment globally. You'll get everything in the 100x tier. You'll get lifetime access to the Token Metrics Professional Plan private Telegram group. So that's lifetime access, not monthly, not an annual, lifetime. For the rest of your life, you'll have complimentary access. Then you also get a chance to come in person and have dinner and hang out with me, Bill, and Forrest. This was something people were asking for, so we added that there. So if you've ever wanted to meet me, Bill, and Forrest in person, if you want to be in the Pro Plan Telegram group for life without having to pay, because this is $3,600 a year, right? So you guys can do the math. But yeah, only 10 of these will be available. Now, these will be exclusive, basically, photos of myself. They'll be kind of like trading cards, essentially. But yeah, this is what we're working towards with the NFTs. Okay, but anyway, so how do you qualify for all of this, right? How do you claim your NFTs? All right, so this is how you would claim your NFTs. So to qualify for an NFT, you'll have to complete the following. You'll have to buy X amount of books for whatever tier you'd like. So we have, once again, the tiers. Tier 1x tier, 10x tier, 100x tier, 1000x tier, right? So you pick the tier you want to buy, all right? You're buying these books for your family, your friends, to donate to a charity, to a school, whatever you like, right? Basically, these books aren't really for you. They're for you to spread the love of crypto, right? Crypto evangelism. And anybody who buys the books between the dates of August 28th, 2021, well, that's basically when the pre-order was available, and this will end on October 7th, 2021. So basically about a month, right? So because today is the 6th, so the book launches on the 7th. You can't pre-order the book now, all right? Once you have that, then just have whoever receives the books, whether your family, your friends, a charity, a school, take a picture of the books they received, right? Holding the book or the box of books, right? If it's a school or a charity, right? And have them post on social media with these two hashtags, Crypto for Humanity and Token Metrics. And that's all there is, right? Then just go to the book landing page, tokenmetrics.com/crypto-investing-guide, and there'll be an online form for you to fill out, basically uploading the receipt of the purchase, then a link to the post with the books, and that's pretty much it, right? And then after this launch or NFT launch is over, then expect to hear from us. The form will ask for your Ethereum wallet address. Make sure not to use an exchange address because we're not sure how that works. Make sure it's non-exchange, just to keep things simple. So use your hardware ledger wallet, anything that's not an exchange wallet. And that's pretty much it, right? Then just stay tuned. Our team will be in touch and we'll give the NFTs to all the people who qualify. And that's pretty much it, right? So to get started, just go to Amazon, search for the book, add to cart, and put the number of quantity of books you'd like to order, all right? Now, there might be an issue depending where you are, because I think some people who are in different regions, there might be a restriction with how many books they can buy. But for now, Amazon works. Actually, other retailers might have better liquidity, essentially. So in terms of where you can buy the book, let me just pull this up here. So we have the paperback version, the hardcover version qualifies. The audiobook version will be coming out probably in a month or two because Audible does take slightly longer than regular book, right? But anyway, the book will be available on Amazon, on Walmart, Barnes and Noble, Target, all these different retailers, right? So all these will qualify. Just make sure you have the receipt and you submit a picture of the actual book, right? And we'll have our team go through every single submission manually to do auditing, essentially. So no funny business. But anyway, let me answer any questions you may have. Let me check the comments real quick. Okay, all right, give me 1 second. Hey Thomas, how are you? Tilahoon, what's up? Harry, Joe, hello from Budapest. Hey, how are you? Farmer Sam, what's going on? Let me actually switch this so you guys can see me. Thank you, Lifetimes in Exile. Audiobook, as mentioned, is coming out in 1 to 2 months. Then eventually there'll also be an ebook as well. Ordered the book. Thank you, Bubba Smith. Appreciate that. Yes. So just go on Amazon. That's probably the easiest way. Put in Crypto Investing Guide. If the quantity of books is not available, you could possibly even just call your local bookstore and have them order the book, right? So let's say Amazon, where you are, won't let you order, let's say 1,000 books, right? Let's say you want to buy 1,000 books to donate them to a charity, to a school, right? What you can do, call your local bookstore, tell them the title of the book, give them the ISBN number, right? Which should be down here, right? Give them, sorry, let me switch you guys cannot see this. Okay, let me switch this, right? Come down here, give them the ISBN number. This is basically a hack, right? Either the 10 or the 13, whichever one they ask for. Give them that number, and they should be able to order the book, right? So let's say you have a local bookstore and you want them to get 100 books, right? Let's say you want to do 100 extra. Call your local bookstore and have them order the book, or tell them, hey, you'll buy 100 books through them, right? Because they might be the plug, right? Or let's say you want to do 1,000 books, right? So, because I think doing that through Amazon might be tough. So you may have to actually pick up the phone and call somebody, and they should be able to do that, right? That's probably the best way if you're trying to qualify for these larger tiers. Okay, all right, let me go back to this. Can pre-order in the UK? Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. If Amazon won't let you pre-order, maybe try the other vendors. Because as mentioned, try Barnes and Noble, Walmart, Target. If that's not actually, I'm sorry, this is only for international. Okay, if all these are not working, then I don't really know. I would probably just wait until the book actually launches on Tuesday, man. That might be the better option if that's not working. But try all the different retailers and see which ones have pre-orders available. All right. I pre-ordered the book the day it was announced. Can't wait. Also, first bought Solana at 37 bucks. That's awesome. Congratulations.
We just landed on the moon in
Lambo. I mean, so imagine after we launched the book NFTs, because we can do so many things with our NFTs, because our community, our slogans, right? So anybody in the 10x tier, as mentioned, will get access to the pre-sale mints for the NFTs, right? So imagine we launch a Moon Lambo NFT, right? As an actual cartoon or illustration. Imagine if we launched, I don't know, crypto retirement NFT. Right? There's so many different ways we could have fun with this. So I think it's going to be a great time. I'm waiting for the audiobook. Will I get an NFT as well? Good question. Right now, this is basically for what's available. If the audiobook is out before October 7th, then yes, right? We'll definitely try to have the audiobook out before then, but it's going to be tough because it all depends on Amazon, right? Maybe we could do a future drop for the audiobook, but that remains to be seen. But for now, we'll try our best if possible. But if Amazon takes a while to put out the audiobook, then we'll basically be stuck. Okay, so Paime says, I have pre-ordered it from UK. Okay, so it looks like it's working for some people. I'm not sure if it's sold out or something, but looks like it's working. Okay, is the book going to be in Kindle or audiobook formats? Yes, it'll be in Kindle as well. Kindle and audiobook are taking some time, but they will be available. For now, we have paperback and hardcover available. Okay, pre-ordered mine a couple of days ago. How do we use the purchase to get the NFT? Okay, yeah, one thing I forgot to mention. So basically, give it some time. We'll be updating the landing page to actually have the claim form for the NFT. But basically, come back here, right? Once you've ordered the books, there'll be a form that basically lets you claim or basically submit your information for the NFT claim, right? Then you have to wait until the whole NFT launch is over, and then we'll start giving out the tokens, right? But basically, just sit tight for now. But everything would be available on the landing page site, tokenmetrics.com/crypto-investing-guide. Let me drop this in the comments so you can all bookmark this for those who want the NFTs. All right, drop that in the comments. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay. All right, good question. Will there be ETH fees associated in getting the NFT? Good question. We're still looking into that, but for now, I would just assume that there likely will be gas fees included, just to be safe. If we can do it without gas fees, that would be amazing, right? But for now, I would just assume there would be gas fees involved. All right. I already took Solana profit and rolled into my next project. Yeah, I mean, Solana has been crushing it, right? Actually, I got my little brother into it. When it first launched on Coinbase, he asked me what to buy, and I said if I was going to get into something Solana, because the writing was kind of on the wall. We sensed that Solana was about to launch. The ecosystem was getting bigger and bigger. The interest was getting bigger and bigger. Then it got added on Coinbase, and then it was higher on the TM grade, and it just took off. All right. How will you verify if someone buys, and what's the package for those overseas, specifically Ghana? Good question. I mean, so basically through the claim form, we'll verify, right? We have ways to verify, right? First of all, you have to have the receipt, right? We can actually go through it ourselves and see who actually ordered the book, because in the back end, we can see the quantity of books, right? We can see the location, right? There'll be the picture, right? So there are ways for us to verify. Right, and then what's the package for those overseas? That I do not know. You would likely have to use an international retailer, right? So on the landing page, there's, I mean, whatever books are, honestly, I don't quite know how to order books in Ghana, unfortunately. I would probably call your local bookstore maybe and have them order if that's easier for you, or whatever site you use to order books. It should have our book on there as well. Thank you, C Sharp. I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean, we definitely have been thinking about this. We want to create a way to help our community grow with us, and also help add engagement, and possibly help you come up. The email is info @tokenmetrics.com. Oh, that, or just even support at tokenmetrics.com. That works as well. Yeah, so there you go. All right, that's the email. Thank you, Jesus Cooks. Appreciate that. Il Wills, salute Ian. I should have the book in a couple of days. I received a notification from Amazon. All right, awesome. I appreciate the support. What's the book? Yeah, so I can go through the book I have about 10 minutes. Then I have a different call. I'm still working on the today a little bit. But basically, these are the chapters on the book. Let me switch my screens here. Imagine you wanted to know everything we know about crypto investing. This is a book that tries to distill all that information into one book, right? So these are the chapters in the book. We have a chapter on blockchain and crypto. Basically for newbies, for beginners, we begin from the basics, go through what blockchain and cryptocurrencies are. We go through how to use and store your crypto. Then we go through, this is a very important book or chapter, securing your crypto from hackers, right? As you all know, back in 2018, I was hacked. I lost $2.5 million in crypto, right? I took all those lessons and put them in this chapter, right? The good news is, as I had mentioned a while back, I did get the money back this year, thanks to the help of the FBI. The FBI, the DOJ was very helpful. It's now a pending legal case with the DOJ, but the FBI, I mean, they did a great job, but that's very, very rare. Like, I think probably 99.9% of people don't get the money back when they get hacked in crypto, right? So I took all those lessons on how to store your crypto, not just the stuff you hear about, but like some deep technical stuff, right? Then I go through value investing. As you know, I'm a value investor. We define it, how to value invest. We go through risk management. We go through how to build a portfolio. We also go through how to do it in a quantitative approach, building a basket of different portfolios. We go through fundamental analysis, how to do it, how we actually do our research to evaluate crypto assets. So when you see the fundamental grades Forrest does, like this is basically the training, right? This is the same training our new hires go through, right? Like Forrest, Michael, all our research analysts, the same training we have. This is basically was an internal training manual that we are now putting into a book. So you can all go out there and learn how to research crypto assets the same way we do. Then how to basically go through and evaluate crypto technology. Right? This is basically a high level of what our blockchain engineers do in terms of doing code reviews. Obviously, we won't be doing any coding, but it goes through how to actually evaluate if something is great technology. Then we go through token sales, ICOs, IEOs, IDOs, what they are, the strategies to invest in them. We go through security tokens. We go through DeFi, yield farming, staking, mining and staking as well. Then NFTs, non-fungible tokens. And this is just the first edition. Because we know in crypto moves so fast. So many new topics, new industries are being launched every single day, month and quarter in crypto, right? So there'll be future editions of the book, right? So imagine edition 1, 3, 4, so on, as the industry matures, right? So that's what the book covers. Man, I'm trying to save ETH for this bull run. Let me cop one. Yeah, I mean, buy the book. It's available on Amazon. We're giving the NFTs as a way to show support to our community. I'll connect you with you on email as I run a design agency, and we're currently working on an NFT project for a client. All right, I appreciate that. Yeah, definitely email us the portfolio. How much is the book? There are two versions of the book right now on Amazon. So paperback is $23 basically. Hardcover is $30. That's how much the book is. Then we'll have an ebook available for free eventually, right? For those who want the ebook. But that will just be like basically a PDF. Now, if you want the Kindle version, that will be in the Kindle store. You have to buy that, I believe. Okay, what about if you bought one already? I bought one from the book depository. Do I get an NFT? Yes. So if you bought one a book, if you pre-ordered ahead of time, same process. Once the landing page form for claiming is live, just go there, put in your information, and we'll take care of you, right? Anybody who's ordered after August 28th, when the book was available to pre-order. Okay, all right. Dude, simplify it. I'm not sure I understand this. I mean, pretty much you buy the book, show the receipt and a picture, and that's it. You get an NFT. Yes, so the form is not live yet, but it'll be live shortly, right? Basically, by launch, it will be live. Already pre-ordered. That's fine. I appreciate that. D Jackson, that's great. You're making it this too complex. I wouldn't say it's complex. I mean, you're buying a book and sending us a proof of receipt with a picture. I mean, that's as simple as it gets. To get NFTs that could possibly appreciate in value, right? I mean, so hey, it's not for everybody. I mean, it's not, but that's fine, right? It's for those who want to participate, right? All right. Hey, what's up, King Nick? All right, so Token Metrics TV is so underrated. Just follow Forest Weekly Picks and you'll be making bank in this market. Yeah, I mean, TMTV is doing very, very well, right? And we have a new version of TMTV we'll be launching, right? Target for that is Q4. There'll be a mobile version. There'll be an Android and iPhone application for TMTV. So stay tuned, but you'll be able to watch TMTV on the go, right? We're trying to build essentially the Netflix or Hulu for crypto premium content. Nobody, to my knowledge, has anything like this. Like, this is legit next level stuff we're working on. It's kind of like how you have Bloomberg TV and Bloomberg Terminal, right? So you have tokenmetrics.com and you have Token Metrics TV, right? So stay tuned. It's going to be great. Ordered the book from Amazon UK, waiting for a definite date for dispatch. All right, awesome, appreciate that. Okay, so a copy of the receipt should be fine. No need to link to social media for an NFT. Also, will NFTs be minted on low gas chains like Solana? We'll be using Ethereum. This will be on OpenSea. We haven't looked into Solana for that. I mean, let me know if people don't like the social media stuff. We can talk with our team, and we definitely want to make sure this is something people want to do. Can I speak on Chia? I mean, I've been doing my Chia 24/7, but it's not really going anywhere. I've been plotting and farming and all that stuff, but right now I think it's tough, right? I think it's probably better to buy. Okay, all right. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna have to head out. I have a meeting, but yeah, I mean, I appreciate the support once again. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We have the official crypto investing guide from the Token Metrics team. How to invest in Bitcoin, DeFi, NFTs, and more. Anything you want to learn about crypto, the A to Z guide is now available on Amazon. Go there, pre-order the book, and once again, we have 10. Well, we have not 10, but 4 different tiers, right? 1x tier, 10x tier, 100x tier, and 1000x tier. Buy the books, gift them to family, friends, to charity. Like, help give the gift of crypto to others, right? And in exchange, you'll get Token Metrics book NFTs, and you'll be a part of history, right? And as we like to say, let me move this, right?
We just landed on the moon in the Lambo.
The moon is not the limit to the moon and beyond. Thank you, crypto family. We'll catch you probably tomorrow. I may do a live stream for the book launch. Let me know. If not, then we'll catch you next week. Thank you, crypto family.